It's Macee. In today's vlog we are starting out in the car. We are on our way to the airport and we're gonna fly out of Omaha and go to Florida. Currently my hair is longer and I'm tanner, so that happened. And something pretty tragic happened this morning. Insert video here.
Don't cry, that's gonna make me cry.
Ears!
What did you
Broken ears! Broken ears!
What did you do?
So my mom is currently trying to fix them right now, and yeah, I'll probably take a nap for a little bit, listen to some music, and then I'll update you guys soon. But our plane leaves at 7 o'clock tonight and it is currently 1:09, so we got some time. It's been a couple of hours. I've been sleeping. We went and got Raising Cane's, which I've never been to before, which there's actually one like 10 minutes from my house, but it was pretty good. We are headed to the airport right now. We're 3 hours early. Yeah, so we're just gonna chill at the airport for a little bit, probably get some coffee, and yeah. Wave. Currently on the plane. He got window seat. I'm middle. Jeff, Leslie. Yeah. You were in it. Alright everyone, so that's the end of today. We got back to, we got to our hotel. We're staying at the Holiday Inn, and right now we're currently putting stuff in a bag that we're taking on the ship tomorrow, so like our swimsuits and stuff. I'm gonna take a quick shower and then we're gonna go to bed and wake up and then we're gonna wake up early in the morning, take the shuttle to the ship, which is gonna be super fun. So by the way, we're going on Oasis of the Seas by Royal Caribbean, and yeah. Hey everyone, good morning. Today we are going downstairs to get on our bus or shuttle to take us to Port Canaveral, and we're gonna get on our ship there. But right now we're currently just packing everything up from last night. We went downstairs and had breakfast this morning, and I'm just in a dress with a little braid and some earrings. Alright guys, so we just got off of the bus and I took a nap. It was a great nap. My parents decided to take pictures of me while I was napping. But now we are walking in and we're gonna check in. They got our luggage all situated, and we're probably gonna get some lunch here soon. And yeah, super excited. How about you? What? Are you excited? Yeah. We are currently on the ship. We got all signed in and everything. We got a picture taken. And now we are going on the ship.
I'm home. Gucci.
We are currently walking into Central Park. Oh my gosh, it is bright. But it is so cute. They themed it as like actual Central Park. So right now we're gonna go eat at Park Cafe, which my mom has watched tons of videos about this cruise. Her favorite people are sea cruisers. They're a YouTube channel, and they also have a Disney channel that they have a Disney channel that I've actually watched before she showed me their channel. So she's been watching a lot of their videos and knows where everything is, so that's nice. So right now we are going to get lunch, and I'll show you around a little bit more.
Mom, what do you want for lunch? I need a salad. Does that look good? Yeah. And I got a burger. Noah, not sure where he went. And then my dad is still getting food.
So we just had lunch at the marketplace, and we kept going back up there and getting food, but now we're going down to the boardwalk and we're gonna look at the carousel and stuff. Oh, my dad's been complaining this entire trip because he's never been into my vlogs, so.
I'm in a vlog!
Alright everyone, we just made it into our rooms. My parents are over here on this side, and they have a balcony area, and then me and my brother are across the hall, and our room is pitch black, which is gonna be super nice for the morning, but we haven't taken it off yet, so we're currently just wandering the ship and stuff. Hey guys, so I thought I would do a little room tour for you guys. So me and my brother are staying in this room, and my parents are the one across the hall from us, but we just got changed into our swimsuits, and I am wearing just like normal clothes over top, but I thought I'd show you the room before we went, so yeah. This is the overview right when you walk in. Over here you have a closet. Oh my gosh, that was loud. Just your basic closet, and over here, honestly, not sure what that is. Oh, it's probably for the door handle. And then this is our bathroom. Just your basic bathroom. The shower's right there, toilet, sink, baby trash. Over here is the mirror. Hi. And sunglasses. Then over here we have my brother's bed, my bed. There's already stuff all over my bed, of course. And then over here we have little side tables and reading lights. So that's the view from this. So there's a couch, a desk area over there, table, and a TV, and decor. And then over here is also another mirror. Okay everyone, I thought I'd do a little update for you. First of all, this wall is magnetic and so is my phone case. So you are currently attached to my wall. So honestly, my biggest fear is my phone falling from tall places. Like watching those videos where like they even pretend to hold it over the ledge freaks me the frick out. And it just happened to me. So I have a magnetic phone case and it goes into a magnetic pouch. So it was sitting there in the magnetic pouch. My foot slipped and we're 6 stories. We're on deck 15 at this point. I slip and we're next to the edge and I go like this with the pouch because it has a wristlet, and I go backwards like this, but I don't like fall. I'm just like still standing now. And I look inside and my phone's gone and my mom goes, "It went over the edge." So of course I'm freaking out as a teenage girl who loves living with her phone. Also, all the vlogs are on here, so all my vlog footage would be gone. So it fell 6 stories. So we were on level 16 when this happened, and it fell to level, wait, we were on level
15.
Yeah, we were level 15 and we had to go to level 8. That's 7.
Yeah, no, and I might have skipped.
Yeah, that fell 7 stories. Perfectly fine, not a scratch, nothing. The lady that saw it fall said it hit a tree and landed in grass. So thank you, Oasis of the Seas, for having grass on your ship. But that is literally one of my biggest fears, is like dropping my phone from high places. Like, I'm so surprised. It's totally fine. I just thought I would share with you, and it was very traumatic. I'll insert the video here of the aftermath. Okay, currently we're on a cruise right now, and I was all the way up there and my phone was in a pouch, and my phone dropped from that high. Still perfectly fine, not even a scratch. My phone's invincible. Yeah, but basically we are gonna get ready right now and go do the muster drill, which is like their safety precaution drill, I guess. And then we're gonna get ready.
Let me see your bag.
My bag's here. And then we're gonna get ready for dinner and go eat dinner. But yes, just thought I would do a little update for you, share my biggest fears, and yeah, so I'll chat with you guys later. Bye. Okay, so we are currently at the ice show, and it's called Frozen in Time, and it's inspired by the fairy tale of Hans Christian Andersen, whoever that is. But what did you get for dinner?
Well, the first thing I got was prime rib, which I didn't order. So he took it away and brought back New York strip steak, and I didn't really like it. So I ate Macee's chicken.
Yeah, I got chicken marsala, and it was really tender, and I really don't like meat in general, so it was like alright for me. But I also got French onion soup, which is really good, and my all-time favorite, well, right after carrot cake, my all-time favorite cheesecake, which is amazing. But now we are gonna watch the ice show, and then we might go to the comedy club after. So
Yeah.
this is a bar, so above that is a bar, and it goes up and down. Okay, we realized we forgot to talk about the ice show. What did you think of it?
It was really good. It was better than I thought it was gonna be.
At the beginning, I was about to fall asleep, but the ending was really good. So if it's boring at the beginning, just hold out for the end. It's good, I promise. But now we are currently going to Tiffany's because why not? And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the boat one of these days soon. It's just so big that it would take forever to walk around. But right now we're currently going to a couple shops, and I think we're getting some Wi-Fi too. So, but yeah. everyone, I thought I would end off the vlog for here today. Today was pretty eventful. I still can't believe what almost happened to my phone. Literally crazy. Anyways, tomorrow we are going to Nassau and we're shopping all day, and we looked up like the directory or whatever, and there's a Gucci and a Cartier, so your girl's gonna get some bougie stuff. But yes, thank you for watching this vlog. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and stay tuned to see all the other fun cruise vlogs. This ship is massive and amazing, so yeah, talk to you guys tomorrow, I guess.